Well, it's that time of year again. Thanksgiving, where we eat the same friggin' meal every year. Who likes turkey? Who gives a rat's boot about turkey? I don't give a crap about turkey. I like leftover turkey. I like turkey after Thanksgiving, but not on Thanksgiving. The only things I'm gonna eat is the stuffing and cranberries. And the mashed potatoes are good too. Unless it's those chunky, nasty things. Ugh, that's nasty. Anyway, even though you're gonna eat the same thing every year, I'm gonna give you 4+ more options for outfits so that you don't have to wear the same thing every year. Let's start. But before I go over any particular outfits, let's go over the do's and don'ts of Thanksgiving outfits, because trust me, you'll be happy you listened. First and foremost, do not wear white shirts. This is literally a holiday that revolves around eating a crap ton of food. The worst part about white is that every little thing shows up on it, and before you know it, everyone's staring at your belly button. No white. Go for darker colors. You'll be happy you did. Layering's a good idea if you get a stain on your shirt and you can't get it out right away. Just take off the shirt and you have a nice outfit underneath that doesn't include your hairy nipples. Also, go for looser fits. You're gonna get bloated. Whether you think so or not, you are. That doesn't look good, especially when you're wearing a really slim shirt. Like, at all. And if there's one day of the year to wear earth tones, this is it. Orange, brown, beige, olive, all good options. And it's sweater weather for most of the US, so I'm taking advantage of it. Okay, let's start with the most casual, the brown sweater. So simple, but so festive, eh? The brown is rich, unlike me, and the texture gives it some personality. Now, if you want, you can just tuck it in and, look at a little sharper already, look at that. But we can give it some more personality and add a blue undershirt. How about denim? Yeah. Brown and blue work perfect together, and now I don't have to expose my nipples if I screw up this brown sweater. Nice. Look at that. We already got 3 outfits. Dang, we're going through this fast. Quarter zips are awesome. They're like the turtleneck's undecisive cousin, but they're a lot cooler than that description. These orange tones are as sweet as sweet potatoes, so I like it. And a scarf to warm your neck if you don't want to zip it up all the way, and for some extra detail, because why not? If you don't want the undecisive turtleneck, then just go for the turtleneck. Any color's fine, except white. Remember our conversation? Good lad, good lad. But I think this orange is awesome and it's perfect for the occasion, so I'm going with this. But it could easily go for green too, like a forest green. But no, I'm sticking with orange. Oh yeah, and we haven't talked about pants yet. Now you could go with something like brown corduroys. They make quite a comeback, but I think something like navy chinos or jeans would be better, if you like a Canadian tuxedo. And unlike brown corduroys, you probably have these already. Since these are all shades of orange really, blue or navy goes perfect together. Opposites on the color wheel, baby. We know our science. Yeet! And for added sartorial flair, a flannel blazer is the perfect choice. Unbuttoned, of course, because you're gonna get bloated. And oh look, it happens to go with every single friggin' outfit we put together because it's a neutral color and that's what we should be doing. Bam! Now you got like 10 options? Oh shoot, dude, you're solid. Oh yeah, I forgot shoes. I don't care. Brown leather shoes, sure, good enough. You're gonna take them off anyway, so it doesn't matter as much as your socks. And that's what you gotta worry about. Just don't have holes. You'll be good. But whatever you have on, be thankful for it. You could be butt naked with no food in a snowstorm after nuclear meltdown, but you're not. So be thankful. Have fun. Eat turkey. Next year I want to live